Hey travel friends, today on Doodle the Travel Bug, we're taking a guided food tour in Italy's culinary capital. Bologna is located in the Emilia-Romagna region of Italy, and it's the place to be for foodies. Bologna is sometimes called La Grassa, translation, the fat one. Now, you wouldn't go to Rome without seeing the Colosseum, so you gotta book a food tour when here in Bologna. We booked secret food tours and met our guide and one other family in the heart of downtown Bologna. Now, the secret food tour really is a twofer because we're also getting a walking tour of this beautiful medieval city. And we're diving right in, head first, mouths open. We peruse the local food markets and its sensory overload. We get to sample fresh pastries. We made our way into a small neighborhood meat shop. Inside, they have hanging rows upon rows of prosciutto, mortadella, and copo piacentino. Our guide orders a bit of everything for our feast. Tucked away with just a tiny vino sign overhead, we're brought to the oldest osteria in the city. It's been around since 1465. We share a long table and quickly become good friends over clinking wine glasses and eat our thinly sliced treasures flecked with pearly white fat and nibble big hunks of Parmigiano Reggiano that is out of this world. Marco making the ultimate Lunchable.
Italy Lunchable.
Yeah. Our food tour continues and Marco has a not-so-secret admirer. The girl has great taste. He's one of the best humans I know. The kiddos look for public fountains to refill their water bottles, and as a group we're taken to a wine shop to buy more vino for this tour. And we have a very special tasting of balsamic vinegars, aged 12 and 24 years. Some are so sweet you could even put them over ice cream, and others, maybe not so much.
Does anyone even make it with less agent in 8 years? Sorry? No, you're past.
To hitch in the back of the mouth? Lastly, we're taken to a small chef-owned space where chef hand rolls out fresh pasta for us. Look how vibrant yellow the dough is. That comes from farm-fresh eggs, from chickens eating an all-natural diet. We eat long ribbons of pasta coated in a luscious bolognese sauce. Next, chef shifts into ludicrous speed and hand makes tortellini pasta. This is pockets filled with pork, veal, and spices, and cooked and served in a flavorful broth. And of course, no Italy food tour would be complete without some artisanal gelato. Thank you, Secret Food Tour, and our guide, Marco. Each bite was a celebration of Italian culinary heritage.
For more unique travel shows, like and subscribe to see where Doodlebug goes next.